Hello everyone, welcome back to How to Solver. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to create folder and subfolder in laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to How to Solver. So let's go. For this, you have to go to your File Explorer. Now select your file and create a folder. To create a folder, you have to press the right button of your mouse, click on New and go to Folder. Give a name of your folder. If you want to create a subfolder, then go to your folder and click the right button of your mouse, press on New and go to Folder. Give a name of your subfolder. If you want to make another subfolder in this folder, then again click the right button of your mouse, click on New and go to Folder and give your folder another name. So this is how you can create a folder and subfolders in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.